Ever felt like your spare change is just disappearing? You know, that annoying feeling of rounding up to the nearest dollar and watching those pennies vanish into thin air? Well, what if I told you there's a way to turn those lost coins into a growing investment portfolio? Intrigued? Then stick around, because today we're diving deep into the world of Acorns, the micro-investing app that's making saving and investing ridiculously easy. Acorns is a revolutionary app that uses a clever technique called roundup investing. Basically, it automatically rounds up your everyday purchases to the nearest dollar and invests the spare change. So, that $3.75 coffee? Acorns rounds it up to $4 and invests that extra 25 cents. Seems small, right? But trust me, those tiny investments can add up to a significant sum over time, thanks to the magic of compound interest. But Acorns isn't just about spare change. Here's the real power. Diversification. Acorns invests your money across a range of asset classes, including stocks, bonds, and ETFs. This diversification helps spread your risk and potentially increase your returns. Automation. Forget about manually transferring funds or remembering to invest. Acorns automates the entire process, making saving and investing effortless. Flexibility. You can customize your investment strategy by choosing from different portfolios based on your risk tolerance and investment goals. Early investing habits. Acorns encourages consistent saving and investing, even with small amounts. This helps you build healthy financial habits early on. Step-by-step guide. How to get started with Acorns. Now, let's get you started. Here's a step-by-step guide. Download the app. The first step is to download the Acorns app from the App Store or Google Play Store. Create an account, sign up for an Acorns account using your email address, and create a strong password. Link your bank account. Connect your bank account to the Acorns app. This allows Acorns to automatically round up your purchases and invest the spare change. Choose your investment portfolio. Select an investment portfolio that aligns with your risk tolerance and investment goals. Acorns offers a range of portfolios, from conservative to aggressive. Fund your account. Optional, you can also make recurring deposits or one-time contributions to your Acorns account. Now, here are some tips to maximize your Acorns experience. Early and consistent contributions. Start investing early and make consistent contributions, even if they're small. The power of compound interest will work its magic over time. Take advantage of found money. Acorns also invests a portion of your found money, cashback rewards from eligible retailers. Review and rebalance. Regularly review your investment portfolio and rebalance it as needed to ensure it aligns with your changing risk tolerance and goals. Explore Acorns later. As your investments grow, consider upgrading to Acorns later, which offers access to retirement accounts and other advanced features. Now, let's address some common concerns. Is Acorns safe? Yes, Acorns is a SEC-registered investment advisor and uses robust security measures to protect your funds. Are there any fees? Acorns has a tiered fee structure based on your account balance. Is Acorns right for everyone? Acorns is a great option for beginners and those who prefer automated investing. However, if you're a more experienced investor or prefer more control over your investments, you might want to explore other options. Acorns offers a simple and effective way to start investing and build wealth over time. By automating the process and leveraging the power of roundup investing, you can turn your spare change into a powerful investment tool. Remember, consistency is key, so stick with it and watch your investments grow. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.